Let's discover together how to prepare fettuccine with white ragù, a delicate and tasty variant of the classic ragù, ideal for those who love pasta wrapped in a succulent and aromatic meat sauce. Ingredients: 320 grams of fettuccine, 500 grams of ground meat, beef or a mix of meat, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped, 1 stalk of celery finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 150 milliliters of dry white wine, 500 milliliters of beef or chicken broth, 100 milliliters of fresh cream, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil and grated Parmesan cheese to serve. Heat the oil and sauté onion, carrot, and celery until they are soft. Then incorporate the garlic and, after about 1 minute, add the ground meat. Brown the meat until it reaches a uniform golden color, breaking it up carefully. Deglaze with the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Pour in the broth, reduce the heat, and let the ragù simmer for a couple of hours so that the flavors can concentrate. Check and stir the ragù occasionally, adding more broth if necessary. At the end of cooking, add the cream, adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper, and cook for another 10 minutes. Cook the fettuccine in boiling salted water until al dente, and then drain them. Transfer the fettuccine to the ragù and mix gently, adding some of the cooking water if necessary to emulsify. Serve the fettuccine, sprinkle with Parmesan as you like, and serve hot, with a final dash of fresh pepper if desired. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our recipes, and visit our website for more culinary delights. Fettuccine with white ragù wins everyone over with their richness of flavors. Enjoy your meal.